everybody! Welcome back to our sauna.
It's a little bit warm in here today.
Yeah, we are still neighborhooding, boondocking.
Boondocking in the suburbs of America.
Yes.
And today we are unboxing our weboost Drive X RV.
Yes, we're really excited.
That's going to help us boost our cellular signal.
Yep, right there.
To go along with our router that we just installed.
Yeah.
So a cellular router, this should get us a little bit more power.
Boost.
Oh, so strong. Oh!
Oh! It is.
Wow. It is.
This is why it's a big box, because it's a big box in a big box.
It's a big box in a big box with a handle. Ooh. Oh. Goodbye. So, here we go. The cell signal booster for RVs, the Drive X RV, works with all U.S. carriers. All right. This looks like a really nice system. Of course, we don't have an RV like that.
No.
We have a Bigfoot Truck camper. But this gives you a 50 decibel gain, and the nice thing about this is that it's mobile. So we can actually have this on while we're driving.
Yeah.
weboost also has another one that's a little bit more expensive and gives you, I think, a 65 decibel gain, but it's stationary. You can only use it when you're parked and when you point it at a cell tower. But this one gives the nice multi-directional antenna, so I think this is going to work really well for us, right?
Let's give it a shot.
All right. Another box in a box. It just keeps getting better. Oh la la, look at that.
Wow.
It has an outside antenna, which is here.
Nice.
This is what we'll be mounting on the outside. That's the multi-directional. It's all actually set up in steps here, so maybe we shouldn't necessarily unbox it yet. There is also an inside antenna, which boosts the signal with the interior of what's going on. They even give you a hole saw for the proper size of hole to come down through everything.
Wow.
This looks like it is the booster itself. Drive X booster. They give you cable ties for the install. They give you a cover for the cable to come into the coach.
Wow.
And then this is the spring kit that allows that thing to be to be flexible.
Okay.
The power supply, which is 12 volt. There you go, direct wire to 12 volts.
Wow.
And then it has the adapter, and then they give you 25 feet of cable, and then all the hardware that it takes to mount it to the outside. They actually have it so you can mount it to your ladder that's on the outside of your RV. So, and then this looks like the interior cable stays. So they do a really complete job, it looks like, in their kit. And so we are going to.
I'm not panicking at all right now.
You know. It's all numbered.
It's a lot.
Look, you start step 1 and 2.
Wow.
Step 3, step 4.
There's a hole here where there's nothing.
Well, that's for this step 6 that they didn't. No, oh, that was.
Maybe
that was there. Okay. That was
no, step 6.
No, step 6.
All right.
All right. So we are going to start doing that. All right. It is in French, of course. It is Nesbelzin Pastis de Brazil Vegetablu. Maybe you could try that.
Sure. En 2 étapes simples et rapides, vous pouvez enregistrer votre produit weboost à l'aide de votre téléphone intelligent.
Very nice. Are you from France?
A little bit. And here you can translate.
All right. register your weboost product. That's exactly what I
That's just what I said. Yeah.
That's what
Everything
I
I just said is resumed in that sentence.
Take a photo. Oh wow,
Oh.
we get to take a photo with a smartphone. Smartphones these days, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
I take photos.
Okay. So the contents we just went over. Step 1: mount outside antenna and route cable. We'll be right back with that process.
Will it work?
Oh, wait a minute. It might, because of these holes. Oh yeah.
Yeah?
There it is. It'll work.
Yeah!
It'll work because the distance here is the same as the distance here.
Oh, awesome!
It's a little bit less, but it'll work, see?
Perfect.
So that we can mount it for the sidebar that's coming through there.
Awesome. Perfect. Figuring out stuff. We're taking a break from the install. We're gonna go to Home Depot. We realize we need a few things. So yeah, we're gonna power through. It's gonna work. Awesome. Awesome. And on our way to Home Depot. Hi.
Hi.
You hungry?
I'm starving. Now that you mentioned that route. How about you? Are you hungry now?
Yes.
Because before you were saying you were just
Not hungry at all.
You shouldn't really eat breakfast anymore.
Yeah. This is where we're gonna go play mini golf tomorrow.
The light. Use the second lane from left to turn left.
Oh. No, you were supposed to stay in the middle one because you're probably gonna do making.
Turn left.
You're gonna do making it right.
Turn left.
Yeah.
The left. Use the left lane to turn left when you're left. She's my little baby.
Be my baby.
When you sing, please come in on the key. Come in on the proper key.
What is the Trusky Brothers song from last night?
It's Moon Song.
The Moon song.
Stay in the middle lane.
Crazy moon.
Moonshine or Shine Moon?
Oh, shiny moon. That's not good.
That's the one.
Okay, Google. Play Teskey Brothers
We don't have that
on
function.
Spotify.
Because we don't have Spotify and we don't have that function.
Okay.
Remember, it goes up. One point.
No, I don't think it goes up.
Na na na, shiny moon. Ooh. Whoa, shiny moon. There you go.
Hey, there's a Lowe's right there. We're done. Let's go to Lowe's.
Oh, okay. Instead of Home Depot.
Instead of the deep. Don't need to go to the deep.
Oh.
Oh, there's a Red Lobster there too. Ooh, PF Chang's.
Okay, you're hungry.
Yeah, PF Chang's, got Panda, got Baja Fresh. Oh, this is the place. Mimi's.
Mimi's
Ooh,
Cafe.
Mimi's is good too. They got some good like soups and
Yeah.
like sourdough bowls. Capriotti's too. Sandwich shop.
Yeah.
Jamba Juice.
Yeah.
Einstein Brothers Bagels.
Yeah.
Over there, you got Five Guys burgers and fries.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Chipotle. This is like food corner right here.
Yeah, right there.
Okay, we need to turn this way.
Right.
Parking lot somehow and get up there.
Red Lobster.
Red Lobster and Lowe's.
It's a legendary pit bar barbecue. It's a big vacation over there.
Vacation. Yo, what's up? You take the high road and I'll take the low road. I'll get to Scotland before ye. Heard that song?
No, is it a pirate song?
Okay, are we going to have the parking space we need today? Then look a little more busy. Things are looking kind of busy.
Ooh, there's some parking over there.
And I'm thinking I'm going fancy bike.
Oh, I see.
Right here.
Yeah. And voila.
Catch you later.
Catch you later. Sometimes you have to honor the hunger and have a break. It's turning out to be fantastic. Oh. I'm gonna have to cut. He took a fry.
Electronic gold. Where's the meters? So if that's going to go there, and this is going to come down there. So the center of the hole is here. Here we go. Now we're into some kind of particle board. Now we're into foam core. Hey, hey. Okay, I'm through the ceiling and I'm into foam core. So I'm going to switch drills now. And I'm just going to come down through the center.
Yeah! Done!
Is it right where we said it would be?
Woo! Yeah?
Is it? Okay, let me see if I can get this cable situated the right way.
Yeah, I want to see. Oh, that is impeccable. This is impeccable. It's such a cute, neat little hole.
Yeah. And then this goes in here.
All right, I'm gonna go pull the the wire inside?
Yes, to see if I can get this all the way through. Good, right? All right, we're sickle flexing. No, it's not sickle flex, but it's self-leveling stuff. It's beige. So we're just gonna put a bunch on here.
And the whole cap you're gonna cover?
That's why you cover all this stuff.
Drill a hole. Alright, you got it.
Self-level itself out. Anything will leak. No one is hitting the wires down below, so could you look?
You're good.
Now we feed it up, so we don't have to feed all this stuff down.
I don't have the light anymore.
That's a nice little install up in
That's
there.
super cool.
Okay, and then the outside antenna.
That's what it's like working in little spaces. That's awesome. Except for this whole bunch of cables.
Yeah, but it's going to be gone in just a second.
This is awesome.
You can come around out of the pumpkin now. Brutal. All right. Well, come on, baby.
Nice.
All right, Red. Ho! Ho! Yeah! Nice hit. Very nice. That's how you do it. Okay. Oh, almost. Okay. Ooh.
I'm filming you. And you. Oh, that's hard.
Aha! Well, you're looking from behind, but he was gonna make the one that didn't have it again. 3 times, I told you. 3 times.
I'm over here.
Will do again.
This time.
Cue this into here. Will that be able to reach, you know, here? Like that. Blue fits both of these in here to be crimped. So when that's in there like that, take this baby. That's wired. Now, if I want to choose this one right here for the hot side, there we go. That's on there. And then number 5 fuse. That should be live now. And with my multimeter, this on the outside. 5 volts.
That's what it's supposed to be.
Yeah, it's 5 volt.
This
You
is
see?
awesome. Success.
So that's success. Oh.
You missed one.
No, that just came unplugged.
Ah.
And that needs to be tightened.
Cheers. Cheers. So, I would say that it was 2 days of installation for the antenna. It's our first time that we're piercing in our new home a hole through the roof. It was really scary a bit.
Yeah, it wasn't really a full 2 days of the actual installation. It probably boiled down to maybe a couple of hours of work time, but we spent a lot of time deliberating to make sure we made the right moves.
Yes, to make sure where are we
didn't mess
gonna
up.
exactly where are we gonna pierce, make sure we wouldn't touch any other electrical cables while going through the walls. So we did the whole installation of the cell booster and plugged everything in, and it's okay. When I bring my phone close to the antenna, you know, the little inside antenna, yeah, there's an additional bar. Now the explanation for not it being like super extraordinarily different is probably because we're in the city.
We're in the city, and the cell towers themselves may
Are
be crowded.
saturated. So yeah, we're in a neighborhood, and there's probably everybody is probably on their computer or tablet or phone or whatever, and the signal is what it is. So we'll see when we're boondocking in the middle of nowhere if we get more signal. We hope, and we'll go from there. We'll let you know.
We'll have to review it when we're on the road.
But it was a lot of sweat, because wow, it's hot in Vino right now. And there we go. We're gonna go enjoy the evening and drink our awesome beer.
Cheers.
Cheers. You guys, cheers.